are curbside. I just finished digging my hole with my post hole digger. You can use the shovel or spade if you'd like. I digged a hole about 2 feet deep. And you notice on the end of the pipe is flattened, so the cement will grab onto it and prevent the post from turning. Put your post in the center of the hole. You add a half a gallon of water. Pour about 60 pounds of quickcrete in the hole. You backfill the hole with the dirt that you had removed. You need a level. You can rough plumb it, pulling the pipe around both directions. You take the MailSwing arm, the inner arm, and you slide it down over the pipe. Okay, you slide it down till you're approximately 44 inches to the center of the pipe. Then you tighten your 2 1/4 inch U-bolts, making sure that your arm is somewhat square to the road. And you tighten them complete. You put your cap on your vertical post. Then you insert the outer arm into the inner swing arm and bottom it out. Then you tighten this so it's not secure, but so you can still turn the mailbox. And you take your level, put it under the mailbox, and level it. You come back to your 1 3/4 U-bolt and you tighten it securely. You recheck for level. You can still move the post around, the cement hasn't dried yet. You check it in both directions. And then level the arm is level. The mailbox is level. Now you can turn the whole post to get it square to the road. You walk back a few feet, make sure that the face of your mailbox is square to the edge of the road. We've achieved everything. We've achieved the height, about 46 inches to the bottom of the mailbox. If you ever need to adjust this up or down, you just loosen these 4 nuts. You don't need to take them off. You can just slide it up and down and retighten. If you ever need to extend the arm, you just loosen the U-bolt. Again, no need to take it off, just loosen it. You can extend it out another 12 inches, retighten it. And so it's fully adjustable in both directions. Wait 3 or 4 days for that cement to dry before you swing the mailbox, so the post will stay secure. There you have it, one MailSwing installed. The whole assembly installation took approximately a half an hour with digging the hole. It's all assembled. We've been manufacturing these since 1974, and the ones we put up in the 70s are still up today and working fine. This is a MailSwing that we installed about a month ago. I'll demonstrate it. The cement is all dry, so there's mail in there. As you can see, the door stays closed. It never comes open. It will always reset itself back to center. You never have to reset it. It's designed so the wing of the plow can travel underneath the MailSwing and keep the snow clear. As you can see, it cradles right back to the original position.